Hey folks, this is Brett with Grafted Branch, and this morning we're getting ready to head over to Millers Rustic Sawmill, and they're gonna take care of me in getting some boards planed out. They've got a 18-inch planer, and they're gonna throw these through there and get them all nice and smooth and all the same size, so that we can use them to make a tail. They got. I was surprised at how cheap their prices were for planing services. So we'll just leave it at that, and we'll continue this video here in just a little bit when I get up there. So got the van loaded and it's time to go. Hey folks, I'm here at Millers, and we just got unloaded, and we're going to get to planing. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so we're here at Millers Rustic Sawmill in King City, Missouri. Here is the planer that we're going to use. This is Daniel, for the record. Yes. And what kind of planer is this, Daniel?
It's a Woodmaster.
A Woodmaster planer. Alrighty. And he just rubbed some wax on there to make the board slide through easier. So, which is an obvious thing that you would want to do, is have boards that slide through easy. So, all right, Daniel, I will not interrupt. You are welcome to go ahead and get started.
It may get a little loud.
Oh, I'm sure it will get loud, but that's why we have video editing. With Daniel. He works here for Millers Rustic Sawmill, and he's getting ready, or getting started on my planing, and we're just getting that first level set to where we know where to start from. So this is just part of the process, and just sit around and watch what we got going here. There's going to be some beautiful wood come out of this. I'm willing to help if you want me to catch. Alright. All good? This stuff is beautiful already with just one little trim on it. folks, we got the planks all planed out. I want to thank Daniel here for his tremendous amount of help toting wood around and running that planer, and it did a beautiful job. Man, that wood turned out beautiful. So just excited for the table it's going to make. I just want you guys, if you have an opportunity, to check out Millers Rustic Sawmill up here in King City. They're do an awesome job. Their labor services for planing and stuff like that are cheap. So for what you're doing or what you're getting, it's amazing. So, and then also check out the Maker's Place there in downtown King City. So y'all have a good day.